Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join Wingman's Corner Creative Challenge for the Night Q Challenge, I guess. So, you are going to go to Valorant's TikTok page, and what you're going to want to do next is you're going to go to their effects page, and you will see the Wingman effect, and you're just going to select that one. You'll see a bunch of people have already made videos, and you are just going to use this effect. Now, you'll need to record basically a Valorant video. Here are the rules, by the way. Maybe I'll post the rules at the end actually, but you'll need to record yourself using this filter of you playing Valorant or anything else. And then what you're going to want to do next is you are going to want to post it to your TikTok account. Then you're just going to go back to the NightQ website, go and select the creative section. And here are the rules, by the way, in case you want to know. You can read them yourself on the website before you participate in it. But basically, once you're done posting everything on TikTok, you're just going to submit entry here. Then you're just going to link a social media account to this page. It doesn't have to be TikTok, but I just connected my TikTok account with it. Then once you are finished and once you're connected with everything, you're just going to select your account. Then you are going to copy and paste that video link into this area right here. And once you're done, you're just going to press add here on the right. I got a little bit confused, as you can see. Then once you're done adding, you can change the thumbnail if you'd like to, but I think I just didn't choose one. Then you're just going to add some tags here. I don't think you can type, so I just randomly added these tags. Well, I selected these tags. Then once you've agreed to everything, you're just going to press preview. And once you're satisfied with everything, just submit entry. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!